Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'll be showing you how you can call in Google Chat. So guys, first of all, open your Google Chat application on your phone. But if you haven't installed the Google Chat application, you can go to your Gmail application. Then you can open the chat feature. It will bring you to the same menu as in Google Chat. And for me, I'm going to open my Gmail application. Then after that, we can tap on this chat option, this one, and you can select an account that you want to call in Google Chat. You can select the account on your room chat, or you can search for the account on this search button. Then for me, I'm going to call this account, so we can tap on this account like this. Then we can simply tap on this call button to start the call. Okay, and now the call is being started, and I'm going to end this call. Alright guys, and that's how we can call on Google Chat application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.